Hello everyone, this is Gitika, host of this channel Hastrekha Palm Reading. Today in this video, I will explain signs of breakup or divorce signs in the palm. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, we will see the marriage line. As you all know, here we have the Mercury finger and here we have the Mercury mount, and in this mount here we have the relationship line, a marriage line. Okay, the darkest one is your marriage line. All right, as you all know that here it starts from the age of 0 and here we take it here as the age of 50. Now if your darkest line is here just in the mid of these two lines, we can say that you are going to marry around the age of 25. Okay, and if you see a light line between these two lines, okay, a very small light line like this, it shows that it is a relationship line. All right, and if it is here wherever I have made, you can see it is at the age of around 17 18, and it increases as we go upside. All right, so basically we were discussing the signs of breakup and divorce. So let me tell you the kind of line which can result in the breakup or divorce. Okay, as what I have seen in my studies and the what I have seen in the other people's palm, whenever the line goes and joins the heart line like that, it is a sure short sign of breakup or divorce. Okay, that I have really seen in many of the palms. This is the formation of the union line. We can also call this line as the union line. All right, and if you see a island like structure in it, it is also showing the conflicts between the two partners, very high conflicts between the two partners, which can result in the breakup and the divorce. All right, and if you see a formation like this, a big fork at the end and a small line over it. All right, so it shows the separation due to an extra marital affair. Okay, along with that, check signs of Venus also. This mount should be very prominent. Very prominent means overly bulging out of the palm, along with the negative signs like mole. Let me draw it again. Venus mount, mole, circle, cross, uneven grills over it. Okay, as these signs increases the sensuality in a person, which can result in extramarital affair and which can result in the separation. Along with that, we need to check the signs in heart line, fate line, and the mind line also. All right, now when you see a marriage line cut by a horizontal line like this, it shows that the interference by a third party, which is resulting into the conflicts. All right, and if you see a line from this Venus area going cutting your lifeline, mind line, fate line, heart line, and joining to this line, okay, this also shows that there is some problem from the family. Okay, conflict between you two because of the person of a family. All right, and this is also an indication of breakup or divorce. We cannot say breakup here, we can say divorce here. Yeah, and if you see, you can see here is the heart line. If you see the breaks in heart line, okay, or moles in the heart line, or if you see an extra heart line, and if it is not there, if you see a girdle of Venus, so this all shows that the person has very heightened emotions, which is also not good in the marriage or the relationship. The heightened emotions can also result in the breakup and the divorce. All right, now the next indication is, you can see here we have the fate line. If a line from this area is the moon, if a line from moon area joins the fate line like this, okay, this is a very good indication of a good marriage and the luck due to the female partner. Okay, success in love marriage we can say. But if it crosses this line, this is a sign of the love failure. Okay, and here the sign of the breakup we can see. Or if formation, one more formation is there, if this line joining from the moon mount has an island in it, this is also a sure sign of we can say love failure resulting into breakup. All right, so these were the all indications that I wanted to discuss with you all. One more thing that I forgot, yeah, if you have a cross over Venus, it is only considered good when you have a cross over the Jupiter mount also. You can see here we have the Jupiter finger and a cross on the Jupiter mount. Only it is considered good, otherwise it is not considered good. Yeah. So these were the all indications of breakup or divorce signs in the palm. If you have any doubt, you can reach me up on my Facebook page. Link is given below in the description, or you can mail me at hastarekhapalmist@gmail.com. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Have a good day.